all my fellow YouTubers out there. I'm Julie.
And I'm Dave.
And we're David and Jewls Treasures. And today we are sporting our bulk swag.
They sent it, guys.
They sent it.
They sent it. We got it. Here it is.
And these are 2 bulk cases that we ordered. This one cost $130 plus $30 shipping, and there is 14 items in here. The retail value says is $802. So we have to get $11.42 an item to break even on this box. So we're gonna start with this one first.
You want to put this one on the floor?
Yes, please. All right, Milo, you have to get down. Thank you.
Got the cutter?
Yep.
All right. And remember, if you're new here, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit that bell notification. We upload videos twice a week. And if you are a subscriber or a returning viewer, thank you very much. Now, what is this? Just like returns or new stuff? Or
No, this is all new stuff.
all new stuff, guys.
All new stuff. This one is household. I think the other one is like kitchen and stuff. But okay, can you put it on the box, on the chair? Here we go.
Right.
And here we go. We have some weather vane 50 by 63 curtains. We have the pair. Energy efficient insulated sheer.
And these just take a regular curtain rod.
Yeah, 50 by 63. We have the pair.
Just a regular curtain rod.
Okay, your turn.
Oh, what do we got here?
Well, be careful. Go ahead. No.
Digging into it, guys. It's a bowling ball. I doubt it. It's too late for that. What? No.
Let's see. That is a solar orb. Stargazing solar orb. It hangs. I think this goes on the sides over
It's got
here.
some holes.
And it hangs.
Show the people.
And it's solar.
Got the solar. Got your switch right there. And it's got the little holes for connecting it to the hanger right there. It's pretty cool. I like that. Does it light up?
Yeah.
Nice.
Just have to be careful as it looks. I'll put this in there, baby.
That's why I have them. Does this come in anything or just wrapped?
Just wrapped like that.
That's gonna be broken.
No. No broken.
Your turn.
I go.
We'd like to give a thanks to bulq. They gave us all this swag.
And they gave us an awesome sweatshirt, too.
We have a sweatshirt, but it's kind of warm.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, by the way, bulq.
This is a lightweight cashmere boat neck poncho. It's cashmere. It is so soft.
How soft is it?
Very soft.
You just put your head in there, because it's got like a zipper or something in the front. No.
Oh.
I think that's how it goes.
I don't know, but it's very, very soft. Yeah.
We got a box. Oh, my favorite, the styrofoam.
Uh-oh, no, not hubby's favorite. Oh, what is it? Ooh. Oh, what is that?
Oh, that didn't sound good. That's broken.
No.
It's supposed to sound like that?
Well, what's in it?
I don't know.
Does there look like there's something broken?
Does this come off? We're gonna have to check this out. I don't know. But anyway, it's oh, I hate styrofoam.
Lighted bluebirds on a redbud branch's crackled glass tabletop art. Is that what that is?
Looks like butterflies.
Yeah. Solar butterfly lantern.
Nice. You can hang that. I'll probably break it, so I'll hold it like this. This is nice, guys. Show you that. Got the butterflies.
It's not broken.
Got, yeah, solar. It's solar power. We've been getting a lot of solar powered stuff. We're trying to stick it to the big oil companies. Oh, I hate this styrofoam.
Alrighty. What do we have here? A large wood rack cover. It looks like a tarp, but
It does.
it's a very heavy tarp.
Oh, it's for outside when you get your wood outside,
Oh,
so it don't get rained on. That's what I think it is.
yeah, it's
wood.
huge.
I mean, guys, show the peeps. It kind of looks like a brown tarp for covering your wood. You know, you get the wood piles outside because you don't want to give the energy companies $30 million a month to heat your house.
Alrighty, your turn.
Oh, here we go. Oh, yes. I don't know.
I don't know.
Feel the weight of that.
Oh, those. I think
it
I
can't
know
be.
those of the
All right.
fireplace.
I say don't be more batteries.
No, durable cast iron
Oh,
fire
there it is.
back feet.
I don't.
It's for a fireplace.
Okay.
That's what it
These
says.
are one of them. The other one's all wrapped up. But boy, I can tell you this son of a gun's heavy. It's nice though. Definitely cast iron. Very nice.
I see.
Uh-oh.
Shoes. Which is my weakness, but I won't keep them. I promise.
Does that men's?
No, because they're too big.
Oh yeah. Oh.
But
Oh, you have
they
to
are
buy-
the cutest Boggs gardening shoes.
I'll show
They really are cute.
These are definitely garden shoes. Look at the print.
They're like strong rubber. 100% comfortable in your own boots. Boggs. They're made by Boggs. Let's see. Oh, cheap. $45. 45, but not here. Not at David and Jewl's Treasures. $20 and you own them.
This one's awful light, guys.
Oh, he got the light. Go ahead. Ooh. Ooh.
It's nightlight.
Yeah, but look at the pretty glass.
I know.
Look at that.
I show. It's like a nightlight, guys, but look at that.
That probably looks really pretty plugged in.
It's nice.
Yeah, I have a plug. Let me see.
My wife's got the plug. Hopefully it doesn't blow up in her face.
Ooh.
A nightlight.
Pretty nice. Okay, my turn.
Nightlight. I like the boogie.
A 7-foot umbrella cover with ties.
An umbrella cover.
Yes.
Got some leaves on there, guys. sounded like something was in there. It's an umbrella cover.
It's an umbrella cover. A 7-foot umbrella cover.
7-foot umbrella cover. See the pattern there? Nice. And remember, if anybody out there wants to...
$129 for that. Not here. Not at David and Jewl's Treasures. No way.
That's retail price.
It's brand new, open bag.
Open bag.
Open bag. It retails for $129.
If anybody wants to buy anything from us, if you're local, we're in Rhode Island, I'll put the email address, or you can just leave a comment. But leave a comment. We're still videoing with the new GoPro Hero 9. Let us know how you think the video footage is. Am I turn or yours?
Your turn, babe.
No, your turn.
No, I just picked
right.
the umbrella.
I'll take it. And don't forget, like, share, and comment. We need some new subscribers. We're looking for 1,003 subscribers by the end of this year.
Yes.
And leave us a comment. Let us know how we're doing.
Ooh. Oh, no, leave the fairy lights in.
Oh, it needs batteries. Oh, we have those. 10,000 batteries.
I'll send the batteries if you buy it. It is a...
Oh, this is... Oh, there we go. It's got birds.
Yeah, birds.
I'll show the peeps.
When lighted bluebirds on redbud branches, crackled glass tabletop art.
See the birds, guys? So nice. It's like crackled glass.
And that retails for $49.95.
It's a gazebo, guys.
Wow.
And,
4 glass hangers.
it's a lollipop.
Wow, that's really nice.
Yeah.
They're glass hangers.
So this pot, you just put the screws on the wall and put it on there. Oh, this is nice. It's got the bulbs there, like the glass. On the back, you're just hanging on the wall.
And that retails for $75, but not here.
All right, guys. Oh no, wait a minute, there's more.
I think these are both the same. Here,
We have a...
open them up at the same time, because I'm pretty sure they're solar.
This is solar?
Yep.
Yep. Oh, I see something there. Oh, it's
Battery operated garland.
This is not solar.
No, battery operated.
So these are battery operated.
Eucalyptus.
They gotta have some. Oh yeah, they got all the lights on there.
Yeah.
Oh, it takes batteries. If only we had some.
Plow and Hearth Eucalyptus garland.
It's got all little lights in there. And just see, you can't even see it.
I have 2 of them. Okay, this was the small box. We're gonna get this stuff put away and we'll be right back.
Be right back, guys.
Okay, we're back. This is box number 2.
Box number 2, guys.
We paid $312 for this one. $30 in shipping, so we are all in at $342.
That one alone?
There is 43 items in this box, which means each item has to be $7.95.
Plus tax, tip, license, and destination charge. Oh, I can't listen to the baby.
Okay, get down, Milo. Good boy.
I smell it somewhere. I smell it somewhere. potpourri. You can go first.
Well, I'm going to take this out of the bag right now because I cannot stand the smell of this. It is pine cone smelling stuff.
Potpourri. That smells like potpourri.
Maybe other people like the smell, but I have to put this away.
No, thank you. Oh, we got some Munchkin sponges. Is this for dishes?
No, that's to wash baby bottles.
Oh.
I'm going to do a baby video because when I tell you, we just sold the last 2 baby gates that we got. And then today, in a pallet, I got 3 more baby gates.
Yep.
And they were all brand new. One's bronze deco, one's black, one's white. They're all new. But I just got rid of 2 yesterday. I got 3 more.
Your turn.
Okay. Are we? Arrest sound machine night light. Time to rise plus audio baby monitor.
Is that a baby monitor or a white noise machine?
Just both.
Oh.
It's pretty cool.
Huh. You can do Apple or Google. Control from your phone.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I got an exciting one. Hand towel.
And this goes for $89.99.
This one's from heaven.
Yeah.
One hand towel, guys. Your turn.
Vendor issue. One hand towel. Okay. We have
That's a cool looking box.
a tissue box, maybe? And this
Tissue
was
box.
inside the tissue box.
Pull you out your tissues.
Doesn't
Looks
look like
like
everything is
It
here.
looks like a sippy cup without the lid.
Without the lid. That's no good.
Oh, wow. Damaged, dirty, something or other.
Dusty. I don't know why bulq would send us this, but
I'm not making this up, guys. Look. This is what it says on the box, on the bag. Damaged, dirty, dusty. Damaged. Damaged.
I mean, I love bulq, but I'm very shocked at that they would send me a dusty, dirty face cloth.
And it's damaged. I don't know how a face cloth can get damaged, but you know. What do I know?
Okay, a coffee and spice grinder.
Oh, we need to keep that.
Why?
I don't know. We always need to grind some coffee or spices. I don't know.
Supposed to be new.
Supposed to be new. There's a cord in it.
Oh, it's brand new.
Brand new.
Brand new.
It's brand new. Brand new.
All right, babe, you get one. I'm gonna check out the price of this.
Floor. Oh, I don't know if I want to say that. See what that says?
Oh no, we can't. What the holy heck?
Nope. It's supposed to be in a Ziploc bag, but she's taped. I think this is 2-piece. Some kind of little baskets, honey.
Yeah, I know.
Got 2 baskets. One of those and one of these.
This coffee grinder, $50. It's crazy. Crazy. These Ellie Catch Secure Milk Collection cups. I know I just saw them.
Double bag.
Okay, my turn?
So you didn't see the price?
No.
It's alright.
A non-stick steamed pudding mold. Oh, it's brand new.
It's brand new.
Somebody that wants to make pudding in a mold.
I don't... Oh.
Very excited over an ice cream scoop.
It's an ice.
Oh,
ice
an
scoop.
ice scoop.
The scoop of your ice, guys. Hey, let me show them this. It's an ice scoop. Ice, baby. Nice. How much was everything supposed to be worth, each one?
$7.95.
Good luck getting that.
I have Drain Buddy, Sink, Drain Stopper, and Hair Catcher.
These you just put right in the drain.
Okay, you're done. Oh, that's the giraffe.
It's a giraffe.
Yeah, that's Sophie the giraffe teether.
Oh, so I guess kids,
And it goes for $26.99. Unbelievable.
it's a giraffe. I guess kids just chew on it. I don't know. It's a giraffe.
What is this?
Ooh, it's it says tech cleaning. I don't know. Stumped again. Maybe somebody out there could tell us. Somebody could tell us what the heck this thing is. I don't know. It's got like a little adjustment there. Oh. I don't know. It's got this tip on there. And then you push this thing up right there. It's got like a brush.
Oh, maybe it's to take out stains.
I don't know. No idea on that one, guys.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
I think I have something very, very cute here. Look, it's a little teensy tiny Batman, and he has a cape. That comes off.
I don't think that will fit me.
That is too cute. Too cute. Okay.
It's like a half of a Halloween costume. And right here, guys, we got Simply Essentials 2 microfiber pillow protectors. So you put this on your pillow and they will never get robbed again. That's right there. Dave and Jewels Treasures. Oh, look at this.
Okay. Belly Bandit.
Good
Bump
night.
support leggings. Maternity support. Trying to figure out. I think they're mediums.
Don't have the. It's not like marked. It's not marked.
Wow, $60 for these things.
60 bucks, guys.
$59.95 for a bump support legging.
That's almost a boom.
Hey, babe.
Let's see that one. Oh, wait, what do we get here? Baby Move. Cold Max. For a well-rounded head. I don't. I'm 53, guys, so I have no idea, but look at it. It's got the little kid there. I guess this is some kind of apparatus to make sure your kid's head is round. You gotta be kidding me. I don't know. Somebody's making money off this stuff.
All right, these are drawer organizers in bamboo. We have that size.
Which is This size by this size.
Then we have one of these.
These are nice though.
And then we have a smaller one.
No idea.
My husband's favorite. Curtains! I think it is.
I'm trying to read it. Plaited curtains, milk, 45 inches.
There should be 2 of them in there. $35 a panel.
2 panel curtains, guys.
Yeah.
45 inches.
I'll have all this stuff listed on eBay or in a day or two. Just give me a day or two. Because I've had to list many other things.
We're working over here, guys. This is a real place.
Okay, this looks like pillowcases.
Oh, I see something for my wife in there.
What? Oh.
I just saw something in here, guys, that is going to up my business at the end of the off-ramps. We'll show you that later.
Oh no. This isn't
Is that curtains?
18 by 14. I think it's a valance. It's very nice. This is a valance. More curtains?
I think this is the same one. Oh, this one's got a oh, no.
No, that goes with the boxes.
These here?
Yeah.
All
no,
right.
no, this tag goes
Oh.
with the boxes.
Well, you never know. Stay organized, guys. I don't know. These are just 2 more of those curtains. Yeah. 45 inches. I think those are, they're taking regular curtain rods?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I still can't believe that these are $60. Okay. Ready?
You want to pull those
2,
up?
3. Now, I'm in our first bulk box.
Oh, wait, let me get it, guys.
I didn't know that one of these was going to be in it, and I've been wanting one for a very long time. So, I kept...
Just coming right from the kitchen. There it is.
I kept it, but here we go. Here's another one. I think this one, is the same color.
Same color.
They work awesome. If you're a smoothie person and you like
Blend
the ice with the fruit, I like to make smoothies with the protein powder and the collagen powder. These are wonderful. You make sure it's charged. You take it with you. A blender on the go. I have one.
Now you got a backup.
And I have a purple one. Now, these usually go for, let's see, $50. These are $49.95. But on David and Jewl's Treasures, they are $25.
Thanks for tuning in again.
Yes, thank you so much.
Welcome back if you're a subscriber or if you watched us before. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell. It'll notify you when we put up new videos. We do twice a week. We try for Wednesday and Saturday.
Saturday, yeah.
So things happen in the world, guys. But 2 times a week, we will get them up there.
Okay.
If you like unboxing videos, this is the place.
This is a 2-compartment Arm & Hammer toteable hamper.
I'll give you a little shout of that, guys. Oh, Arm & Hammer must smell good. Right there. Arm & Hammer, 2-compartment, toteable hamper. Very nice. That's gotta be at least $300. I'm just kidding, guys. How much was it? You don't know? The Arm & Hammer.
Oh.
This says damaged. How could it be damaged? Oh, it's alright if you can.
$14.99 for the hamper. What
Look
is
at
that?
Oh, I just want to show the people. Look at this return. Did they take that at Walmart? Or Sears? Or Woolworths? Look at
It's
it.
got a sloth on it. I want to see.
It's a Ziploc bag. How do you return this stuff? I don't get it. It says damaged. But I don't know what do you even... What is this?
Oh, it's to put the baby in. Is the zipper broke?
It says damaged. It works.
No, zipper's broke.
Do 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 do. Well, we got a bag, guys. I can take this. My wife makes delicious. My wife makes delicious jerky. The best. We have a what is that thing? A Ninja Foodie pressure cooker. 8
Yeah,
quart.
dehydrated,
It
everything.
does like 12 things, but.
This is a shame. Maybe somebody
But I got
at
this
the
bag
yard
to
sale
take the jerky to work in.
will
Not anymore. It's alright.
maybe be able to fix the zipper. Copper pearl sleep bag.
That's what happens, guys. I'm gonna take this out now, though.
Squeaky!
Now I can step up my game at the end of the off ramps when I'm doing people's windshields for tips. I have a real squeegee instead of using the one that I took from the 7-Eleven gas pump thing. There it is, guys. Heck yeah, brand new squeegee. I'm gonna make some money on the off ramps this weekend.
This is normally $45.
Price with broken zipper?
Well, I'll let them know, but somebody might be able to fix it.
That's how you fix that. What could that be? Pillowcase?
No, I think it's another curtain. Yeah, a valance.
I was gonna say that's a curtain.
It's a valance.
All right, here we'll pull these out.
What are
Oh,
they?
you know what? That will go for my business. This is gonna be a business expense. Squeegee that windshield. Clean the windshield.
Hubby is
Oh,
a
wait.
jokester.
No, but wait. I can clean both sides of the windshield. I've got two and a squeegee. Heck yeah. Hey, I can be squeegeeing the windshield and drying it. We got the oranges in the shopping cart. No.
World's smartest video baby monitor.
Why don't I believe that? Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. Got your baby monitor. It's got the charger and the cube. I don't know what that name is there. Nvidia. Huh. Nvidia. And look, I don't know what this does, but it's got a little thing that goes down.
And the last thing in the box is Boone Pipes building bath toy set.
Oh, it's kids' bath toys.
Here's my thingamajig.
I don't know.
Jeez.
Huh.
I always lose it.
We're looking for the opener, guys.
That's okay.
Need help? You got it?
Mm-hmm.
That's not factory sealed anymore.
It wasn't to begin with.
I'm just kidding. My wife's trying to get that open. Don't forget to get on there and hit that subscribe button. Helps the channel out. We're trying to get to 1,003 subscribers by the end of the year, guys.
I guess they suction
Yeah,
in
they
the
just
shower,
suction to the shower.
and the kids pour water down.
Yeah. It's
There's 5 tubes in here.
There's all kinds of different tubes.
They do
See,
all
they
different
pour
things.
water in there, and the thing turns like that. All kinds of little different ones. See, they got the suction cup. Just suction cup it to the tub in the bath, and kids have fun. It's like a little waterworks toy.
Okay, this was our second bulk case,
That's it.
and that's it. Milo.
He's over there. Here comes Milo, guys. He's gonna tell you to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Let everybody
There he
know
is.
to
Like,
subscribe, and comment.
Comment and share. Everything is free and it helps the channel out. We're trying to get to 1,003 subscribers by the end of the year, so just help us out. It's free. And hit that notification button, the bell, when you subscribe so you can see all our new videos. They'll let you know when the new ones come out.
Thank you so much, Chandra, for our
Thank you for the bulk swag.
swag. We wear it in pride. See you soon.
See you on the next one.